It's a special day, it's the day for all brothers and sisters out there. It's Raksha Bandhan, so how can Sister Sakshi not give a surprise to her brother Neil Bhatt? Check out the surprise that she's planned for her brother.
Hi everybody. अच्छा so listen, so my brother is this busy bee और उसको मुझे मिलने को टाइम नहीं है. So मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि आज रक्षाबंधन का दिन है तो मैं उसके सेट पे उसको सरप्राइज़ करने जा रही हूँ. अच्छा एक सेकंड रुक जाइए, मैं आपको पहले दिखा देती हूँ वरना फिर वो उसको पूरा बिगाड़ देगा. 2, 3. Dude, today is Raksha Bandhan and you don't have time to meet me. So I came to meet you. Expression देखो, $1 million expression surprise वाला. You don't need to ask me that. Give me a hug. Hug तो दो. जादू की झप्पी. First आप बताइए नील भट्ट आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
very surprised. Actually आज सुबह जल्दी निकल गया शूट के लिए तो we couldn't do the whole ceremony of Raksha Bandhan and everything. So मतलब अब करूँगा. Center, huh? Don't you put it on the side.
I put a little on the nose also.
Thank God. It's happening once a year. I'm happy, more than happy. Keep it on the side.
Happy?
Yeah,
you know,
I mean, I'm just happy, you know.
Okay, now fast. मिठाई.
क्या बोलते हो, खिला दूँ? मतलब ऐसा कोई काम तो नहीं किया है मिठाई खिलाने वाला, मैं रक्षाबंधन है तो खिला देता हूँ आज.
That's it, huh? You're not getting any more मिठाई.
I don't want. I'm on diet, you know. Actually, every year I've gifted something or the other to Shikha, and इस साल अभी as in time रहा नहीं है मेरे पास, क्योंकि शूट में दोनों शोज़ कर रहा हूँ. दिया बाती हम कर रहा हूँ, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही कर रहा हूँ. फिलहाल हम तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही के सेट पे हैं. And my sisters come in and
Don't worry, I'll take my gift.
exactly. So my point being that I think whatever she wants, I'll take her shopping and she can ask for anything. You got one chance in your life, so just ask.
Oh yeah.
अगर ये मौका मिल गया है तो आपने कुछ सोचा है कि क्या मांगोगे इस साल?
Shopping. What more does a girl want? I want to go shopping. I want a day जहाँ पे मैं शॉप करूँ उस और मैं पैसे पे ना करूँ. So yeah, you're in for a ride.
When have I not been?
Every year, like last to last year, he gave me a Wacom, जो मुझे मेरी करियर के लिए बहुत important है. I can draw, you know, it's like a it's very important for me basically. Digital
through which you can draw.
Draw.
On the computer.
yeah, I don't know if I should explain all of that right now, but
Simplest way you can it can be explained.
जो आप पेपर पे करते हो वो मैं कंप्यूटर पे अब कर पाती हूँ because of the Wacom that he gifted me. Simple as that. And last year he gave me a DSLR, which is also very important for me because I love photography, and it is also very important for my career to know photography. So every year he gives me something that I can utilize, and it's like amazing. Now this year I'll get shopping. A whole day of shopping. I'm so excited.
अच्छा आपके रिलेशन को डिस्क्राइब करना तो कैसे डिस्क्राइब?
I think
Useless.
useless. And
Useful.
हाँ like this, as in मैं कुछ बोलने जाऊँगा, she'll go to say something and I'll complete. So I think that's what the case with every brother and
Useless at
sister.
times. And it's very useful at times. This is one of those useful times. Otherwise, it's useless. Who
I'm
cares?
speechless.
Who cares?
I'm officially embarrassed. I am embarrassed.
He's always embarrassed. Every time he's on interview with me, he's like, "You're so embarrassing. Go away, shoo away. This, that. Problem क्या है?
Now they know. Now they know that what is the
Every
problem.
sister is like this.
Exactly. So now they know.
Okay, how happy you feel that you have a sister like her, like this?
He better be very happy.
आप लोग सच सुनना चाहते हैं या झूठ? What do you want to hear? सच?
I told you.
What?
You better be very happy. On cloud 9. If
Yeah.
you're not, I'll bring
So
you
yeah,
under-
I'm happy. I'm happy to have a sister like her. So yeah.
Less.
अच्छा कभी आपको ऐसा लगा हो कि नील आपने ऐसा कुछ किया और नील एक्चुअली वो प्रोटेक्शन वाला आ जाता है ना भाई को ऐसा कुछ हुआ
अरे sometimes when mom dad की डांट मिलती है ना और बहुत ज़्यादा डांट मिल जाती है और फिर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा अपसेट हो जाती हूँ ना, then भैया जी आ जाते हैं पिक्चर में. आप क्यों कर रहे हो? इतनी अच्छी है वो, इतनी अच्छी बेटी मिली है आपको.
Please.
You do that. Come on, I'm being nice. You only don't. उसको ही नहीं चाहिए कि मैं अच्छी हूँ.
इतनी अच्छी.
नहीं, but he's protective. Almost every time. बहुत protective. Every brother is. एक वो instinct है inside वाला. So yeah.
I think I want her to be the most happiest person in the world, and I think that's the most important and the most essential thing in life. So I think I'm asking for that. तो उसके लिए कुछ भी हो तो वो हाजिर होना चाहिए. That's it.
I wish the same. I wish कि he's also the most happiest person. खुश रहे. He should be happy with what he's doing, which he is, I think, actually. But happier if he can get. Yeah, I wish him all the luck, and also some time for the family. Like everybody doesn't have to come on set to meet you. What is this? Too pricey you become?
You came on to surprise me, so yeah, you had to come on the set then.
It's Raksha Bandhan, for God's sake.
So
Very pricey. सब हिसाब छुट्टा करने वाली के साथ. I give him a bigger bite. See? See?
bigger bite.
See? Look at it. Look at it.
This was so sweet, Sakshi. Well, we wish all the viewers a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Upasna Patel, cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi guys, this is Neil Bhatt. You're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to WhatsApp TV.